Look how sick that is. Woo! Stay tuned. What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today I got an assortment of like pliers and trimmers out. Got my Dremel out, and what I'm doing is I'm doing a little bit of surgery on this portion right here. I actually, since I had these vents, I actually wanted to cut this out and put holes, like compressive tuning. They have like a kit for that, but I was like, nah. And instead, I said I could actually run a strip in here where that I could turn, like, you know, with like turn signals and stuff. But I was like, nah. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting LED type strips in here, like the ones I have from BTF Lighting under my hood. I'll show you that in a second. And what I'm doing is I'm going to clip all the ends first, like on both sides, and try to cut this piece out, then Dremel it out to smooth it out. Guys, you're going to want to use some painter's tape or what have you as well, so you don't scratch up. Like, I have these carbon fiber pieces over here from Gogo Carbon. I don't want to scratch those up. And once that's done, I actually have like OEM type paint for this car. I just painted the inside. You know, once I Dremeled everything and smoothed it out, painted the inside. Now, normally to take this piece out, you would have to go from underneath here as well. Instead of me taking that out, what I did was they're up here, like somewhere right around here, behind here and here, are being held in by clips. So I'm gonna just pull that slightly apart, pass the wire through. I'll put the strip here, pass the wire through, and run it through right above this wheel well, and then I'll run it over to the other side where this controller is. Let me show you what I did to the other side real quick. So I had this buried deep inside of my fender well, and here's the strip. I taped up the strip right here because I was testing it out, but this is what I did. So I cut out this entire piece and painted the inside black so you really can't see it. Then all I got to do now, let me show you. All I got to do now is pretty much stick this in there and just cut the strip to suit and have the strip right there. Bam. So now when it's done, once it's hooked up, let me see. Oh, I don't have it hooked up right now. Let me hook it up for you real quick, so at least you can get a little bit of a demonstration of what I'm talking about. So now, when I flick the switch in here, see that? Yeah, it looks dope, right? So yeah, so at a show or something like that, it's just gonna look so sick. So that's what I gotta do to the other side. So pretty much this side is already done. I just gotta cut the strip. These strips are cuttable. And what I did on the inside, I actually soldered, where is it? This male end right here. I soldered it to the rest of the strip that I didn't use, so I'm not wasting a whole 3-foot of strip, you know what I'm saying? So, and it works. So let's get on with this. All right, so it's complete right here. I just vacuumed up all the clippings or shavings from the inside. Okay, so it's pretty much clean. As I told you before, see what I did? I just, guys, do it gently. You know what I mean? Don't yank and break anything. To give you some leverage, you can open this door. Okay, open your front door and just separate the pop clips. There's one right here, there's one right here, and this, there's a hook. That hook right there hooks behind the metal where the pop clips goes into. To take this entire piece out, It would be easier if you did take the entire piece out, I'm just saying, but I don't have that luxury because there is a pop clip underneath here, but my side skirt is blocking it, so I'm not gonna take that side skirt off. That's the reason why I'm doing it this way. Okay, so now all I'm gonna do now is double check, make sure it's clean, just paint. I'm gonna paint the inside here real quick like I did the other one, and then run the wires. All right, fam, I'm back. Whew, just finished this up. That's the finished product right there. All the way down, up, ran it inside the fender. What I'm gonna do is getting a little dark, so what I am going to do is clean this up tomorrow, because I might be able to, I'll tuck this away now, but most of the stuff, I'll tuck the wires and hide them and stuff tomorrow, because right now it's gonna be a pain in the ass to do, especially running against the darkness. But let me just show you real quick. Remember, all the lights under the hood, yes, I do have, it works with the switch, but I also have it on my app. So now once I click that app, look how sick that looks. I like it, man. It's a pretty nifty, it's pretty nifty. And it's pretty much the same vibe as what's going on under the hood. In case you wanted to know, guys, these LED strips are from BTF Lighting. But when you're using strips from BTF Lighting, you have to get a voltage reducer. This right here, this thing that I have wrapped up, it's a voltage reducer. And when I got this, it was kind of like old school, where they have multiple connectors. I still have another 4 connectors in here if I wanted to hook up extra strips. So the voltage reducer that I got had multiple JST connectors on it, so it was easy for me to run just piggyback strips, you know what I'm saying? So just remember, if you're using these, I'm going to list them in the description. BTF Lighting, you can get it on Amazon, they sell it on Prime, so you can get it in 2 days. These strips are cuttable, they're addressable LEDs, so you can cut them like I did. I cut them, soldered it, so forth. These strips come in these are 3 feet, so 1 strip was perfect enough for me. I didn't need an extra strip because when I cut it, I end up soldering another connector to it, and it worked. So I'll have everything in the description. BTF Lighting. Just remember, you have to have a voltage reducer. These strips run on 5 volts, not 12. So if you just hook it up just like that, it would never work. 5 volts. All right. But anyway, guys, you know what to do. Definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. And I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.